Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 and today we are going to present a tutorial video on how to create a simple calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves and which part each of us will explain. My name is Dedra Alfizaki Wirdian Muljabar and I will explain the JavaScript section, and these are my friends.
Hi, I'm Dava Atala Saputra and I explain the HTML part.
Hello, my name is Daniel Saputra and I explain the C++ part.
Okay, the purpose of this project is to create a simple calculator that can perform basic maths operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We'll start with HTML first, which acts the structure of our calculator, and my friend will explain it.
Alright, I'll begin with the HTML part. HTML acts as main structure of our calculator. We start by typing the basic HTML skeleton. Doctype HTML tells the browser that we are using HTML5. HTML length equals ID sets the language of the page. Meta charset equals UTF minus 8 ensures all the character display correctly. Title set the title shown on the browser tab. Next, we will connect it to the CSS, and to link it to the CSS, we will type this code. Next, we create the main structure of the calculator inside the body. Div class equals calculator is the main box that contains the calculator. Input ID equals display, the screen where number appear. Read-only prevent user from typing manually. Div class equals button, the container for all button. Next, we create the number button and operator button. Each button has an on-click function that will be executed by JavaScript. Number button 0 to 9 calls append to display. Equals calculate. C calls clear display. Operator have the operator class for special styling. Finally, we close the buttons container and the calculator container. Next, connect it to the JavaScript and we will type this code.
C++ is used to style the calculator so that it looks neat, center, modern, and easy to use. We will style everything step by step, starting from the body, then the calculator box, the display screen, and finally the buttons. This is the main font used for the entire web page, so all text looks clean and readable. Next, these three properties center the calculator both horizontally and vertically on the screen. Next, this means the body takes up exactly 100% of the viewport height, the full screen height. Next, remove the default margin from the page so it aligns perfectly with the axis. Last, give the page a light gray background to create contrast with the dark calculator box. Next, styling the calculator container. Step 1. This gives the calculator a dark gray color, making it look modern. Next, round the edge of the calculator box so it does look sharp or boxy. Next, add spacing inside the calculator so its contents aren't attached directly to the edges. Next, set a fixed width so the calculator looks consistent on all screen size. Next, and last, add a soft shadow around the box, making it appear as if it is floating above the background. Step 3. Styling the display screen. Make the display screen across the entire width of the calculator. Next, set the height so the display looks like a calculator screen. Next, make the numbers large and easy to read. Align the number to the right side just like a real calculator display. Next, add space between the display and buttons below. Next, give internal spacing to text towards the X. Next, with background to mimic a digital screen and makes the screen look smoother and more modern. Step next. Ensure all buttons have a same height and makes the text on the button readable. Remove the default HTML button border so the design looks flat and modern. Set rounding to match the style of the display. Change the cursor to a hand icon when hovered, indicating that is it clickable. Give the buttons a dark gray color, makes the text stand out clearly. Colored orange code to different them from number buttons. Colored green to highlight its importance. Colored red to show that it performs a reset action, and that completes the C++ styling or of calculator. With this styling, Our calculator looks clean, modern, centered, and easy to use. Thank you.
Okay, now I will explain the JavaScript part. JavaScript handles all the logic of the calculator, such as displaying numbers, clearing the screen, formatting numbers, and calculating the final results. We will go through it step by step. Step 1. We're typing this code. For this code, this command selects the input element that shows the calculator's numbers. We store it inside a variable named display so we can easily update the screen whenever a button is pressed. Step 2. Showing number on the screen. This function is called whenever a number or operator button is clicked. This adds the preset button's value to the current text on the calculator screen. Example, press 1 to screen 1 and press 2 screen 1, 2, or 12. After adding the value, we call format number to automatically format the numbers, like adding commas. Step 3. Clearing the screen. This function resets the screen back to empty. It is connected to the clear button, useful when the user wants to start a new calculation. Step 4. Formatting numbers automatically. And for this code, gets the full current text on the calculator display. This code splits the text into numbers and operators, example like 12 plus 3000. This code, we only format the last number type, so the whole expression stays untouched. And for code if, checks if the last part is a valid number. If not, we stop formatting. Replace commas so formatting doesn't stack. And for part this code, converts numbers into digit grouping format. Example like 1000 to 1,000 and 50 million to 15,000,000. This code joins everything back into one full expression. Purpose of this function, automatically formats number, makes large number easier to read, works even when typing operators in between. Step 5. Performing the calculation. I want to explain step by step. Step 1. Copy the current expression. This contains number plus operators. Step 2. Remove commas. This code because JavaScript cannot calculate numbers with commas. Step 3. Convert symbols. This code because JavaScript only understands multiply and divide, not X or symbols divide. Step 4. Use eval. Because eval evaluates the entire mathematical expression. Example like 12 plus 3 multiply 5 equals 27. Step 5. Format the result. This code shows the final answer with commas if needed. Step 6. Error handling. This code prevents the calculator from crashing if the input is invalid. And that completes the JavaScript section. JavaScript is the core part that brings the calculator to life, handling inputs, formatting numbers, and calculating results. After finishing all the code, we can process to run the program.